Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. After iOS 17, lots of iPhone users are facing battery draining issue. It happens in every new update. In this tutorial, I will share you few methods to get rid of this issue. Solution 1. Turn off location services. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Here tap on Location Services. If it's turned on, turn it off. When you need, you can turn it on. Solution 2. Remove the widgets from lock screen. Some widgets like weather and news are constantly refresh the data to show you the latest information. It might be a chance to drain your iPhone's battery. To remove, long press on the widgets and tap Remove Widgets. Solution 3. Turn off mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can turn off mobile data in Control Center, but turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth under Settings apps. Because these won't be turned off completely when you do it on Control Center. Solution 4. Turn on optimized battery charging. For that, open Settings app, find and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Turn on optimized battery charging if it's turned off. Solution 5. Disable automatic downloads. For that, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Now tap on Automatic Updates. Turn off iOS updates. Solution 6. Turn off background app refresh. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again tap on Background App Refresh and select Off. Solution 7. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.